All right, here we go. About ready to get after it. Sunday, got breakfast out of the way, had a nice cup of coffee, got a fire going out here in the barn. I am so thankful for this heated barn. It took a lot of work to get here, but man, it's very beneficial. Should have did this before we built the house. Anyway, so we're gonna work on the timber frame today. Got 3 more poles to put up, and hopefully I can get that accomplished. Don't sound like much, but hey, we're slow. Yeah, all right, here we go. Pretty windy out here. All right, so I'm gonna mosey down to the barn there and get the tractor and get those logs hauled up. Got my faithful hound with me. All right, let's see how this goes. Remember, these are white oak. These are quite heavy. empty out. So yeah. Just gotta hope that stays there. Put my C-clamp in place. Snug that up. I'll beat it around to get it to where I want it. Bottom brackets, I've already ran a string around it and made sure these are all, you know, in alignment and everything. So that's why I don't have a string on these. I'm just kind of feeling it and going from there. It's gonna be all right. Tightened up. All right. And I'll get my braces put on so it don't fall over. I got a piece of oak here for a stake. I've always used pine, you know, to square up pole barns and stuff like that. Mind you, the ground is a little bit frozen, but man, how much better is this hardwood than trying to beat a piece of pine in the ground? The end usually ends up breaking, but man, I'm wailing the heck out of this thing, and it just holds up. All right, I don't think that's going anywhere. We'll level that up, put some screws in there, and that'll hold it. I got one, I'll have one on every pole. And then I'll tie them in with some other boards horizontal so they don't fall this way. Probably tie some diagonal, just so the structure, the main part stays straight and square, the wind don't blow it down. That type of stuff. But you guys know that. Sometimes this can be challenging here. Gosh, if it stays there, that'd be good. Mind you, this is all rough sawn too. It hasn't been heat treated or professionally dried or anything, so That's pretty good. All right, we're gonna lay this out and drill it for our carriage bolts, I think is the proper term. Lay out both sides and drill from both sides. Meet in the middle. Okay, got that done. Let's punch it. There's that. Using a center drill. One end's sharp, one end's dull. So hopefully I get the right end first time. Just to get the hole started. I made these brackets, and they're, I don't know what kind of material that is, but it's pretty hard. Alright, I'm just using a stepper bit here. And I'll go up with this one. This is not the end result one, but it sure does make life easier to. Not so much for the wood, but if you've ever tried drilling through thin material, steel, it's a pain in the butt with a normal drill bit. So this works really good. Let me just do the other side. I didn't film putting this pole up, my battery went dead. Being cold out, it seems the phone dies rather quickly. Last one, final size before the drill bit. Been putting oil in here as I drill. Kind of keeps the drill bit cool, and also hopefully it's treating that wood in there. That's my thoughts anyway. Is it really doing that? Don't know. Okay, other side. Get that lube in there. All right, let's see if we meet. All right, well, I can see daylight. Carriage bolts here. Take that. So I drilled that hole in that bracket just smaller than this square head, so I beat that in. It kind of forces its way into that steel so it don't spin. Dang, son. I don't think I need it, but I'm so used to using Loctite and everything. Figure why not.
There you go. About 150 foot-pounds. There you have it. That's how I do it, right or wrong. All right, we got done what we set out to get accomplished. We got the 3 poles up, got them all leveled, secured, anchored, bolted, all the things. So it's getting there. Pretty happy with it so far, except the layout. I wish I would have did it a little different, but I do that with everything. I'll put something together, and then when I get done with it, I either want to smash it or burn it. No matter what it is. But we'll refrain from doing that and continue on. All right, we're gonna call it a day. Remember, cut to size, hammer to fit, paint to match. Nobody will ever know. Take care.